Wow, Emma, look up there. What is that big thing in the tree? What's that up there? Oh no, Ethan, that is a beehive. You must stay away from it. A beehive? I have never seen one so close before. It looks fun. It is not fun, Ethan. Bees can sting you if they are angry. I just want to look at it. I will not hurt the bees. Please come back here right now. It is very dangerous to stand there. I think I will just touch it gently with this little brown stick. Be careful, Ethan. No, Ethan, don't hit it. I'm telling you, it's gonna fall. Please, just listen to me. Do not worry, Emma. Nothing will happen if I just tap it once. I will just use the tip of the stick to say hello, okay? Be careful, Ethan. Whoa, uh-oh. Ah! I am just poking it very softly. See? Everything is perfectly fine, Emma. I do not like this at all. I have a very bad feeling. Look, Ethan. Some bees are flying out of the hole in the hive. Oh! They are coming out. Wait, there are so many of them now. They hear you. Run away, Ethan. The bees are coming right at you. Oh no! They are buzzing so loudly! I am so sorry, little bees! Run, Ethan, run! We have to go back into the house right now! Help me, Emma! They are flying all around my head! What do I do? Keep running, Ethan! Do not stop! Run as fast as your legs can. Go away, bees! Leave me alone! I did not mean to bother you! Do not wave your hands, Ethan. You will make them even more angry. But they are everywhere. I am so scared, Emma. I want my mommy. We are almost there. Just keep running toward the door. You can do it. Ouch! Oh no! Something just bit my arm. It hurts so much, Emma. Oh no, Ethan! A bee stung you. We must tell Mom right away. It hurts a lot. My arm feels very hot. Please help me, Emma. Oh no, Ethan, stay calm. I'll help you. Let's get inside right now. We are safe now. Let us go inside and call Mom for help. Mom, please come here quickly. I need your help. My arm hurts. Mom, quick. Mom, hurry up. Ethan was playing in the garden and a bee stung him. Oh my goodness, what happened out there? Let me look at your arm, Ethan. It really hurts, Mom. I poked the beehive with a stick, Mom. Oh, sweetheart. And then a bee stung me. I told him to stop, Mom, but he did not listen to my words. Oh, Ethan, you must never poke a beehive. That is very, very dangerous. I am really sorry, Mom. I was just curious about the big beehive. It's okay, sweetie. I know you didn't mean any harm. Are the bees going to come inside our house, Mom? I am very scared. Don't worry, sweetie. They won't come in. You're safe with me. No, sweetie. The bees will stay outside. They just wanted to protect their home. My arm still hurts a lot, Mom. Will I be okay very soon? Yes, sweetheart. You'll be feeling better very soon.
Yes, Ethan. I will clean it and put some ice on your arm.
Thank Thank you, Mom. Will another bee come and sting me again today?
Not if you stay away from their hive. We must respect the bees, Ethan.
I tried to stop him. I knew the bees would get very angry.
You were right, Emma. I am sorry. I did not listen to you earlier.
It is okay, Ethan. I am just glad you are safe inside the house.
We have to remember this lesson. Wild animals are not toys to play with.
I understand now, Mom. I will always be careful when I am outside. That is my good boy. Now let us get some rest and drink water.
Hi, I'm home. How was your day? Hello, my beautiful family. I am finally home from work. What is going on?
Hello, dear. We had a little accident with some bees in the garden today.
Oh no, are you two kids okay? Who got stung by a bee today?
It was me, Dad. It was me, Dad. I poked a big beehive with a small brown stick.
I know, Ethan, but let's fix it together. I'm so proud of you, buddy. You did great.
Thanks, Dad. I had fun.
That's all that matters. You're a star. You poked a beehive? Why did you do that, Ethan? It is not safe.
I'm sorry.
I was just very curious, Dad. I wanted to see what was inside it.
I told him to stay away, Dad.
But he did not listen to me. Bees are not toys, Ethan. They work very hard to build their little home. When you poke their hive, they feel very scared and angry at the same time. They fly out to protect their family. That is why they stung your arm.
I did not want to hurt them, Dad. I just wanted to say hello.
I know, Ethan. It's okay. I know you have a good heart. But wild animals need their own space. All right, let's keep going.
Yay!
Fun.
Come with me, kids. Let us look at the beehive from a safe distance.
Is it safe to go out there again, Dad? I am still a little scared.
It's perfectly safe, sweetie. You can do it.
Yes, Emma. As long as we stand far away, the bees will not mind.
Look there, kids.
Wow,
It's amazing.
I knew you'd like it.
Look up there. Do you see all those bees flying around the big branch?
Yes, I see them, Dad. They look very busy flying in and out today.
I know, it's quite a sight, isn't it?
If you see many bees like that, you must never walk close to them.
Okay.
You must never throw stones at the hive or try to touch it, okay?
Okay. What should we do if a bee flies very close to our face, Dad?
The best thing to do is to stand still and let it pass.
That is a great question, Emma. You must stay very calm and stand still. Do not run away screaming. And please do not wave your hands in the air.
I waved my hands a lot today.
I think that made them more angry.
Yes, Ethan. Waving your hands makes them think you are trying to hit them.
Just walk away slowly and quietly. The bee will leave you alone very soon.
I will remember that, Dad. I will walk away slowly like a quiet turtle.
Wow, look at that.
Incredible, right?
I know what to do.
Go get it.
I got it.
Very good, Emma. What about you, Ethan? Do you understand the lesson for today?
Yes, I do, Dad. And yes, Dad. I am very sorry for not listening to Emma in the garden.
I am sorry I made everyone worry about me. I will be better next time.
I forgive you, Ethan. I am just very happy that you are safe now.
We all make mistakes, Ethan. The important thing is that you learn from them.
Your mom is right. Now you know how to be safe around wild insects.
I promise I will never poke a beehive or any animal home ever again. Wow, they are so cool. It is much better to watch them from here. Yeah.
Yes, it is. Nature is very beautiful when we respect it and stay safe.
Are you feeling better now, Ethan? Does your arm still hurt a lot today?
It's getting better, Mom, but it still aches a bit.
That's good to hear, sweetie.
It feels much better, Mom. The ice really helped to make the pain go away.
I'm so glad to hear that, sweetie.
Isn't this a wonderful day, kids?
It's the best! Look at the flowers, Dad.
That is great news. Now, let us go inside and wash our hands for dinner.
I am so hungry. Let us go eat some yummy food together as a family.
Hello, friends. Being curious is fun, but being safe is always the most important. If you see a wild animal or a beehive, do not touch it at all.
Do not forget to answer today's question. What did Ethan poke with a stick?
Please subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting learning adventures. See you!